Good morning, KLGR viewers. I'm KLGR Farm Director Scott Colon with you here on this Monday, February 6th. Here's a look at egg headlines and a market update. The February Food and Egg Organization Food Price Index averaged a reading of 131.2 points last month, down 1.1 points or 0.8% from December, marking the 10th consecutive monthly decline. And with the latest decline, the index has fallen 28.6 points, or almost 18% from its peak in March of last year. The Cereal Price Index averaged a reading of 147.4 points in January, up fractionally on December, and up 6.7 points on the year. The Vegetable Oil Price Index averaged a reading of 140.4 points, down almost 3% month on month, and nearly 25% lower than a year ago. The Dairy Price Index averaged a reading of 136.2 points, down 1.4% from December, hitting its lowest level in a year. The decline in January reflected lower international prices for butter and milk powders. The Meat Price Index averaged a reading of 113.6 in January, down marginally from December, continuing the decline for the 7th consecutive month, but is still 1.3% higher than a year ago. Finally, the Sugar Price Index averaged a reading of 115.8 points, down 1.1% compared to December. In 2021, the average dollar spent by U.S. consumers on domestically produced food returned 39.4 cents as property income. Property income is income received by owners of capital assets such as land, equipment, and intellectual property after they pay for inputs, labor, and output taxes. The 39.4 cents as property income marked a 0.3 cent increase from a revised 2020 estimate of 39.1 cents, and is the second year in a row in which property income shares of the food dollar set a record high for USDA's Economic Research Service Food Dollar Series. The share of the food dollar that compensates labor through salaries and benefits was 50.3 cents in 2021, down 1.2 cents from the 2020 number. The remaining food dollar shares were each at 5.1 cents for output taxes and imports, which includes imported ingredients and other inputs needed for domestic food production. Annual shifts in the primary factor shares of the food dollar may occur for a variety of reasons. That's according to USDA. And Ag Secretary Tom Vilsack on Friday announced major initiatives that support and enhance the health of America's children through nutritious school meals. At the USDA Conversation on Healthy School Meals Roundtable, Vilsack stated, quote, "Our commitment to the school meal programs comes from a common goal we all share, keeping kids healthy and helping them reach their full potential," end quote. USDA supports efforts to enhance the health and quality of life of America's children by proposing gradual updates to science-based nutrition standards in school meals, recognizing school districts that have gone above and beyond in nutritional quality, and assisting small and rural school districts in improving the nutritional quality of school meals. The Secretary shared proposed updates to the school meal standards to reflect the latest nutrition science, and the updates focus on a few targeted areas that will support even healthier meals for kids on a timeline that reflects critical input from school nutrition professionals, public health experts, industry, and parents. That's a look at Ag Headlines here on KLGR. You can find Ag News online at myklgr.com. Here's a look at your markets. March corn's down a quarter at $6.77 and a quarter. December up a penny at $5.97 even. March soybeans down 3 3/4 at $15.28 and a quarter. November's down a penny at $13.68 and 3/4. Chicago March wheat up a nickel at $7.61 3/4. July up 3 cents at $7.74 and 3/4. Minneapolis March spring wheat up 1 3/4 at $9.23 and a quarter. July is down a quarter at $9.09 and a half. Kansas March red wheat up 9 1/4 at $8.82 and a quarter, while July is up 6 3/4 at $8.64 and a half. March oats are up 4 1/2 at $3.88 even. July up 2 pennies at $3.77 and a half. March soybean meal down $4.50 at $492 even, while December is down $2 at $409.50. March soybean oil up 49 cents at $59.55. December's up 35 cents at $58.74. On the livestock markets, live cattle closed Friday higher. February live cattle opened the day at $160.27.5 after closing up 52.5 cents on Friday. June closed Friday up 27.5 cents and opens today at $160.27.5. April lean hogs closed up 47.5 cents and opens today at $86.47.5, while June closed up 65 cents and opens today at $103.30. March feeder cattle closed Friday up 17.5 cents and opens today at $186.10. May closed up 52.5 cents and opens today at $194.77.5. February pork cutouts closed Friday down 47.5 cents and opens today at 82.5, while May closed up 22.5 cents and opens today at $102.05. On the Class 3 milk futures, February is up 7 cents at $17.99. April Class 3 milk up 2 pennies at $18.06 per hundredweight. And that's a look at a market update and egg headlines this morning. I'm Farm Director Scott Colomb saying thanks for watching.